Well, here it is, August 31st, and we had to unhook the trailer because here on the farm life goes on, and we only had a little over a bale of hay left, so Rodney had to go get hay this morning. But he'll be hooking the trailer right back up. We're still on level 1. So here we are on August 31st, and I wanted to show you another feature. If you go on that layers button on the bottom that I showed you before, you can take off the thermal hotspots and you can put on these dots that are current. Shows you the different time frames. And unfortunately, last night we saw a bunch of purple out here, which purple is 6 to 12 hours, the last 6 to 12 hours that there was new fires. And the next stage is green, so you see all those light green ones. That's what I was seeing last night. And then this afternoon we have more purple. And we are right here. So that is west of us and moving to the east. So not real happy to see that. So we'll have to watch today and see what happens. It's still a ways from us, but it's obviously moving this direction. So I just took the picture of the helicopters about a half hour ago. Well, there won't be any more because we are smoked in solid now. And if you notice, we do have a little wind. See the flag blowing and the trees blowing. And unfortunately, that means the wind's blowing our direction, most likely. So we'll see how it goes today. I wish the firefighters a lot of luck. I hope they can stop it from getting over here. We really don't want to evacuate. Well, the sun went behind the mountains. You can still see the smoke. It's cleared off enough we can see the mountain pretty good. It's still pretty smoky over there. Tomorrow is September 1st, so we'll see what that brings us. Hopefully they'll have more containment on the fires. Last I heard, still 1% containment and 14,000 acres. Well, it's September 1st, and the winds have already started. If you notice, you can see the trees blowing. They said it was going to start tomorrow, but it's already blowing. And unfortunately, it's blowing right from the fire to us. It's a wind blowing from the west to the east, which is going to blow right towards us on that fire. We were hoping they'd get better containment, but this morning it was 15,600 acres and 1% containment still. So we'll have to see, but they call them red flag warnings, where it's going to be windy and more fire potential. Well, we already have a fire, so this is not going to be pretty tomorrow. We're hoping that they'll get control of it a little bit on this east side of the fire, which is where we're at. So we'll see what happens. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.